G'day folks. Hey, in a recent vlog from Mario, that's Mario's daily vlogs, I think it was number 592, entitled Fruitcake. He provided a quite a simple recipe to bake a fruitcake. So, you know, I'd like to tell the story on how, you know, it was an old family recipe that had been handed down from generation to generation over the centuries, but that wouldn't be really true. If you go over to his vlog, I'll leave a link below, he'll tell you where he got it from. But I had a go at baking it. So, this is Moz from Moz42. Let's go baking! Righty then, what I might do first is prepare the cake tin, grease it and line it with baking paper. And for Mario, there you go, using mainland butter. Normally I'd have a little bit of music going in the background, but hey, I don't want to get copyrighted by YouTube, so I'll give that a bit of a miss. Now, I'm going to try this. I've never done this way before. Well, bloody like giving a haircut. One of those Beatles type haircuts. Bowl on the head and cut around the edges. Just put that aside for now. Okay, what we need now is 1 kilo of dried mixed fruit and 2 cups of orange juice, mixed together and placed in the fridge overnight to soak. So here's one I prepared earlier. Ooh, that looks good. So you can see the orange juice and the fruit. Just get a wooden spoon here and let's have a look. Mix it up a bit. Yep, still nice and juicy there. The orange juice is actually fresh. I grabbed it yesterday from IGA, that's Independent Grocers Association. At one of their stores. Watched them actually juice it, so I got that. So there we have it, ready to go. So then the recipe says 2 1/4 cups of self-raising flour. There be the self-raising flour. Measured out already, pre-prepared, and mix it all in and just stir him up. Oh, let's try not to make too much of a mess. Transfer this into the prepared baking tin and we'll see how we go. Sure we get everything that we possibly can in there. Waste not, want not. Clean that up. Righty then. Now, all that's left is to put this into an oven and bake it at 170 degrees for an hour and a half. Here's an oven I prepared earlier, and we'll just slip this in on the middle shelf. Set the timer for an hour and a half. Oops, too much. here we go. Oh, we'll see what comes out. Look at that progress so far. Just under an hour now, so another 33 minutes and it should be ready. Looking good. There you go. What do you reckon about that? That was bloody awesome, and I'll tell you what. Oh, marvellous. Oh, ripper there, Mario. Oh. Such a simple recipe too. Oh, lovely. And I'll tell you what. Alright, another bite. I'm going to set out a challenge for 3 people to go and make this. So the first one, Chopper Rules 1. Hey Mark, have a go. You don't have to do any welding to make this one. So have a go and let me know how you got on. The second one, well, the second one I might go way out west where the rain don't fall and hit up Ice Bike. Ice Bike, have a go, mate. See if you can knock it up. It's so simple. Recipes in the video. If you want to check it out further, go to Mario's vlog. And the third one, well, the third one I might go overseas with this one. Two-wheel fix. Stevie, who tells me that if it wasn't for alcohol, the Scots would rule the world. Keep drinking, guys. Have a go and let me know. So, for now, have a good one and cheers.